ALD, your trusted partner in precision casting and machining. We've been shaping the future of precision casting and machining for over 30 years, specializing in high-quality ductile, iron castings and precision machined mechanical components. We serve industries such as automotive, high-speed rail, solar energy, and construction. Our products are engineered to meet the exacting standards of some of the world's leading companies. Our state-of-the-art production facilities enable us to handle every aspect of manufacturing in-house, from raw material selection to the final inspection. With expertise in ductile iron casting, mechanical processing, heat treatment, and precision machining, we deliver solutions that offer durability, strength, and reliability. At ALD, customization is key. Whether you need a specific automotive part, a complex construction machinery accessory, or a component for solar energy applications, we provide tailored solutions that perfectly match your needs. Our investment in advanced, tempered ductile iron ALD heat treatment allows us to enhance the mechanical properties of our castings, making them stronger and more resilient. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality, with certifications such as ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. We implement strict quality control processes to ensure that every part meets the highest standards. Our global client base, including top companies like FA, CRRC, and Hengley, trust us for our reliability, expertise, and precision. Our team of skilled engineers and technicians is dedicated to delivering not just products, but value-added solutions from the initial concept to the final production. We work closely with our clients to ensure the highest level of satisfaction. Whether you're in need of a specific part or looking for a reliable, long-term supplier, ALD Precision Manufacturing Co., Ltd. is your trusted partner in precision casting and machining. Visit our website or contact us today